Welcome to your journey towards a wealthy lifestyle through minimalism. Imagine living with only what you truly need, freeing yourself from both physical and financial clutter. The concept of extreme minimalism might seem daunting, but it holds the key to unlocking financial freedom and mental clarity. Picture a world where every item you own serves a purpose and every purchase is intentional. This is more than just a lifestyle, it's a mindset shift towards financial wisdom. By embracing minimalism, you simplify your life and open the door to endless possibilities. Consider the benefits: liberation from unnecessary expenses, peace of mind, and the joy of living with intention. But before we dive into the how-tos, ask yourself, are you ready to transform your life in just 30 days? To break free from excess and embrace a new way of living? Stick with us as we guide you step by step through this transformative journey, starting with decluttering your space and mind. Let's take the first step together towards a wealthier, more fulfilling life. Welcome to the first step in your minimalist journey, decluttering essentials. Imagine opening your closet or kitchen drawer and finding calm instead of chaos. Begin by sorting your belongings into 3 categories: keep, donate, or discard. This simple act is transformative, freeing not just your space, but your mind. Next, adopt the one in, one out rule. It's a principle that ensures balance. For every new item you bring into your life, let go of one. Think of it not just as clearing space, but as a mental detox, where each item represents a choice. Decluttering isn't merely about reducing physical items, it's about gaining mental clarity and financial freedom. By letting go of what you don't need, you create room for what truly matters. Isn't that what we're all seeking? A life filled with meaningful moments, not material possessions? Take the leap today. Start small, but think big. As you shed the excess, you'll find more than just a tidy room. You'll find peace of mind and a healthier bank account. Ready to continue this transformative journey? In our next segment, we'll dive into mastering minimalist spending habits. Welcome back to our journey into extreme minimalism. In this step, we're diving into financial minimalism, a crucial pillar of the minimalist lifestyle. Start by evaluating your spending habits with a critical eye. Ask yourself, what do I truly need? This isn't just about cutting costs, but understanding your desires and distinguishing between needs and wants. Imagine the liberation of knowing your money supports your true priorities, not fleeting impulses. Consider adopting budgeting tools tailored for minimalists. These tools help you track progress and savings, showing you exactly where your money goes. It's like having a roadmap to financial freedom. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but prioritizing what truly matters. Picture the peace of mind that comes from mindful spending: less stress, more savings, and a greater sense of control over your financial destiny. Financial minimalism is not about limitation, it's about empowerment. Ready to simplify further? In our next segment, we'll explore how minimalism extends beyond finances into your daily life and relationships. Stay with us as we uncover how this philosophy can transform every aspect of your world, leading you towards a wealthier, more fulfilling lifestyle. In this step, we dive deeper into minimalism, illustrating how it's not just about purging belongings, but reshaping how we live each day. Imagine starting your morning with a simplified routine that sets a calm, intentional tone for the day. Minimalism in daily routines means focusing on what truly matters and letting go of unnecessary chaos. Consider your digital life. How cluttered is your inbox? How many unused apps sit on your phone? Embrace a minimalist digital lifestyle by decluttering these spaces, reducing screen time, and fostering a more mindful interaction with technology. This isn't just about tidying up your devices, it's about reclaiming time for what genuinely enriches your life. Finally, let's talk relationships. In a world filled with superficial connections, minimalism encourages us to nurture meaningful ones. Focus on the relationships that add value and joy, and let go of those that drain you. By applying minimalism holistically, you create space for deeper connections and a more fulfilling life. As we continue, we'll see how these principles build towards a life of intentionality and wealth. Get ready to transform not just your surroundings, but your entire lifestyle. You've journeyed through the essentials of decluttering, mastered financial minimalism, and embraced a lifestyle of simplicity. Now, it's time to take action. As you stand on the brink of transformation, remember, each small step you take today can lead to a wealthier, more fulfilling tomorrow. Imagine a life where every possession serves a purpose, where your finances align with your values, and where you wake up each day with clarity and intent. This is your moment. Embrace the minimalist mindset and start your journey now. Clear away the clutter of indecision and let the path to a wealthy lifestyle unfold before you. The future is yours to shape, filled with possibilities of financial freedom and personal fulfillment. So, are you ready to transform your life in just 30 days? The tools are at your fingertips. All it takes is that first courageous step. Let today be the beginning of your minimalist journey. Experience the profound impact it can have, not just on your space, but on your entire being. Your path to a new way of living starts now. Take the leap and watch as your life transforms into something truly extraordinary.